Welcome, today I am in Fiat 500 and today I'll show you how you can turn on the front window demisters. So at the first we have to press on this button right here. And right now we can also at this point adjust the amount of the airflow to our front window. So we can set it up on the maximum level, for example. And right now you can probably also hear that sound, so let's change the maximum amount of that airflow, for example for second value, like that. And yeah, so as you can see it's very simple, so that's basically how we can set it up. And to turn them off you have to simply click on this button right here. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.